Hi guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own sparkle backdrop on Autodesk. Wait, did I say that wrong? Okay, so right now I'm showing you an example on this tool. It's called Drops. Drops is basically something that creates 3 or more drops in one tap click. So right now I'm using this drop tool in the shapes category to make this kind of line of, well, drops of drops. Oh my god, drops of drops. Okay, so I'm about to be finishing that, and then after this I'll be making, of course, a heart, because I'm trying to show you guys that you can make anything you want. You can make a dinosaur if you need to. Okay, so right now I'm using a different gradient of this color. It's more lighter and pop up the color that I used, that is gold. This is just for aesthetic and, well, for the mere look of it. And now I'm adding a very kind of like the same color as it, but different. So it looks the same color, but it's totally not. I promise you it's not. But I'm adding that just to create a different gradient of sparkles. I just add 2 white spots. And then I'm going into the airbrush. Finally, airbrush time. I just went over the airbrush with that just left to right motion, and I got this amazing look. Okay, now this is the hard part. It's where I add the white spots everywhere. Well, not really the white spots, more like the glare of when I'm trying to create the illusion of a camera taking a picture. And I always have that glare, so I'm trying to create that, and it's always super hard. So now I'm just waving that airbrush around, creating the illusion of it. Okay, and well, I think I'm done with it. And yeah. Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, I'm showing you an example of the different textures I used. So, okay, so right now I'm making a dinosaur. I don't know what to name it in the moment, but I'm making it anyways. I'm trying to use the same tactic I used to make, well, the sparkle backdrop. And I'm kind of making it like a kid drew it or something. So, yeah. Now I'm just adding the more details and stuff like that. Okay, now I'm adding the airbrush. So it's airbrush time. So I'm trying to find that spot that's perfect for where the camera is while taking it. And yeah. Okay, so I just add some whites, blah blah blahs, and then add some green, which you cannot see because, well, it's for aesthetic and it's the dinosaur's green. Oh, whoa, what is that? Okay, so let's see what I'm doing right here. P? Oh no, B. Oh, okay, now, O. B. Oh, Bob! The dinosaur's name is Bob! I don't know why. So, this is Bob the dinosaur. He's cute and awesome. So, I guess this means this is the end of this recording. So, bye!